Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Sorkar jila kala Phah da ka Shithi shaka Khasi Students Union bakan wan Ïakren ban ka Sorkar ban penbet Hima Jingdawa jongki. Umenti ramba ka jila ukan rat sangma habakren shakilat patai kubor hadian balawai ka dorbar senrai ka basdang menda ka sngi ulapun pau ka jingkmi lenti bementa ka janmiet nila shai ka sngi kin sayo jubab AA na ka KSU. Habakali ke baka Sorkar kan le halor ka Jingdawa ki wei pat ki seng bhalang baka Sorkar kariban weng no ka jing pengat ya ka KSU da ka MPDA bat MMPO persya ikinong yalam ka KSU bat kumjuru ka Jingdawa ka UDP ban pelat no yakinong yalam ka KSU ukan rat uloong bagini baro kidei balale kat kum kaan ka don kaan kumta uloong baka dong ka bomdei yu bakin don ki baong badei ban penkala ya kaan kumta ulo kerpa dekin gikin hun bakin ailat bakaan kan trikam namar la thau ya kaan bande kumta habe dei ka jingong u general secretary ka KSU baom dei ki rekhot ka KSU badan kati ka jing pen kulmar ha khat khandai tarik ukan rat uloong babaro ki sakhi ki kai phot bat ki bor sentiat bakile yo kile kat kum kata hendai uloong ba ka jing token kanang ya shakmat habe dei ka jingong unong yalam kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma badai ban pendrung mukot dema persya yikitu ki bakhang denti yaki kali baket deki mar bakongsan ban penpoi hapo ka jila ukan rat uloong ba ka Sorkar kala penbet yakani hakapor balingkot hendai halor ka Jingdawa umukul nagalyang ka Sorkar kan sapet benya ke ka sin jam bakande
them to come for discussions and for talks. We expect that we will get some response maybe by today evening or maybe tomorrow. And we will discuss all the 5 agendas and the points that I mentioned.
So other NGOs, while condemning the August 19 violence, but they have asked the government to revoke invoking of MPDA and MMPO against KSU leaders. And UDP has also demanded release of the leaders of the KSU.
You see, the law is in place for a reason. And whatever happens, the law will take its course. And therefore, it will be incorrect for me or anybody to simply come in and say that the rules and the laws will change because it's one organization or different organization or one individual. I think that is not proper in governance. Therefore, please allow the law to take its own course. I think it's not proper for us to interfere. And the laws have been made for that purpose. And it will move ahead with that purpose.
Do you suspect any political conspiracy behind this?
Well, we are investigating the entire aspect, and we are not closing any of the possibilities. We're looking at all aspects. We saw the statement made by the General Secretary of KSU right after the incident happened, saying that that it was not their people who were involved in the violence. But obviously, at that point in time, given the circumstances and given all the situation, the reports and everything we had, and the intel that we had at that point in time, we took action based on that. But as I said, we are not going to leave any stone unturned. That statement was made by the General Secretary of the KSU. So obviously we're going to ensure that investigation is done on all fronts.
So the leader of opposition
has been brought under control in kind of a limited period of time. A lot of discussions took place in the front, behind, and communication was being done. So the idea is to resolve the issues. I think that is what is the primary objective that we have in front. We will definitely examine the points that have been placed by the Honorable LO, and we'll see after examining how maybe we should move forward in that, but we'll examine it.